Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to explain to you today in the Enuma Elish. It says, out of the Apsu. Now, in the beginning, there was the Apsu and there was Tiamat. Apsu and Tiamat. Apsu and Tiamat. Now, I'm going to explain who these two are. When Tiamat and Apsu got together, they started creating little gods and titans and all that other good stuff. I don't know if you've ever read the Enuma Elish or listened to it, but it's on Spotify, it's on YouTube. You can sit there and listen to it. But you're going to hear this name right here a lot. Apsu. But it's always been explained to me that Apsu was water. That Apsu was the water. That didn't sit right. It just didn't sit right with me. It didn't sit right with me. I have to find out what it is. What is the Apsu? So, in my journey of finding out the Apsu, I come across all these crystals right here in Revelation 21, 19 through 21. All these crystals and the color they are and the energy they carry. Okay, and in this journey, I found a masculine energy, which is also the energy of Aries. This exact energy is the energy of Aries, and also these energies match numerology 1 through 12. All these energies match numerology, like angel numbers, for example. Okay, so, and this right here caught my mind, caught my eye, and I had to find out why this one was the first one. Why Aries is the first zodiac? Why the first? So this is what I found in Revelation 4:3. And he, Apsu, he that sat was to look upon like a jasper. Who? The one that sat on the throne. The one that sat on the throne. And he that sat was to look upon like a jasper and a sardine. A jasper and a sardine. Jasper and a sardine. Alright, now these two right here are extremely significant to the Apsu. Okay? So I go to a dictionary and I go right down here. To Jasper. And this word right here in Akkadian. A-S-P-U. Aspu. That's how the accents over the words are pronouncing it. Aspu. So the jasper stone is the masculine energy of the Omega. The Omega. Alpha and Omega. That's where the masculine energy come into effect. The man, that's why they call it a he, was in the jasper, the Apsu, which is red energy. Now this is what's going on. Why is it red, orange, yellow, green, blue, so that and this and that, that? Why are the energies different? Well, I can answer that too. Now, first of all, you've got to understand that it's emitting a fire. It's got to be fire right here, okay? So the only thing that burns white, it reacts to the air, is magnesium. Now, on my 555 page, I made a video about this magnesium, how it reacts to the air and it burns a white light, which is the same element used in flashbangs to bring about the white light. Now, this white light, this burning ball of magnesium, plus it is the Earth's most abundant element. Magnesium is. So this is what happens. Now, check this out. Now, I went and found what a jasper is. A jasper is a cryptocrystalline variety of quartz that is red. What is cryptocrystalline? Having a microscopic crystalline structure. So jasper is not on just because it's cryptocrystalline with a microscopic structure, it's also a mineral. A mineral. The mineral is where the masculine comes from, which is an impurity, of this corundum. Corundum is a natural form of aluminum with impurities as ruby, sapphire, and emery. So you have this right here too. Bauxite. Bauxite is the principal ore of aluminum. Aluminum found in bauxite. Now this is where the energy comes from. Burning bauxite, the magnesium has a white light. This is the light. Alright, but right here is the aluminum, the bauxite, that's given the red energy of the masculine, or the he that sat on the throne, or the Apsu, this red, this part right here, the red, this part right here is the Apsu, the energy of the masculine, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the cross that Jesus was crucified on, oh my goodness. Yeah, that's right. It's the electrical charge, the imbalanced brain with a electrical charge of negativity that is dominant. Now I'm going this video right here. Yeah, I'm fixing to put that cross right there in its place. I'm fixing to put that cross that everybody talks about in its place.